Hello and welcome back. So I need to do something different, or just a little bit different. This is a package of Staedtler Noris Club watercolor pencils. I've been doing a lot of reviews of budget-friendly regular colored pencils, and yeah, I still got a couple of 3 of those to go, but I really need to get some water going. So watercolor pencils. I bought the 24 set. I believe you can get them up to 36. I should have double checked that. Comes with a brush. Oh, this set did. It's a little soft brush, and that's pretty much what I want to say about it. I think it's a little bit too soft for my liking. I can try it, but I prefer a water brush, to be honest. It's not as pointy as I would like it to be, but I'll try it. It's not as bad as some brushes you get with watercolor sets. So it's a Noris Club pencil. It's Noris Club Aquarelle, to be perfect. And it has this anti-breakage system stuff. That is this white edge you can see here. They wrap the core in that on their Noris Club pencils and on their Ergosoft pencils. So yeah. And for my test drawing, I have sketched out a saberfinch. It was a friend of mine who was kind enough to let me into his aviary, and I took some pictures. Most of them didn't turn out, but there was part of a photo that was okay. So here's the saberfinch, and I'll pick out some colors and do a speed painting. And I'm so sorry about the flicker. Let's see if I can get my lamps to cooperate. Well, I can't. this was a fun piece to do. I have to say I pushed these pencils right to the limit of what they can do. They are quite waxy, so after adding water the second time or so, it started getting, it wasn't difficult to layer them, but that's when they started feeling a bit waxy. I've treated them like they were art quality pencils, and they're not quite there. There's not so much pigment in there, and they are more waxy, but they are low budget. So for what they are, I actually think they did really well. I regret the background here. It requires a lot more work, but I didn't think it would make good footage having me sit here and dry it up with a hairdryer, add more colors, dry it again until it gets dark enough. I might do this at some point, but I think I got out of it what I wanted. For what they are, I think they're quite good. They're good enough so that if you want to try out watercolor pencils and want to see what they're like to work with, you could use them and get a general idea about how this kind of thing works. There are better watercolor pencils on the market, definitely, but these are a good entry level, I'd say. Very, very nice. And yeah, so the relationship between price and performance, absolutely good enough. And so my thumbs up for this, absolutely. Yeah, thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe, and come back. I got more drawings and paintings coming. Bye.